Hi, welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? We begin Tuesday's trading by examining the Dow, and we notice that the Dow trend is rising. Today's reading is 29% versus 26% the previous day. The Dow momentum is rising, 29% versus 16%. Dow volatility falling, negative 1.14% from 1.4% positive. The Dow 50-day net change falling, 923 versus negative 780 the previous day. Let's take a deeper look into what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we look closely, we see that the exchange insiders inventory increased to a negative 7% versus negative 10% the previous day. Institutional money flow rising 26% versus 19%. Institutional demand rising 48.7% from 37.9%. Institutional inventory rising 41.7% from 37.1%. Institutional accumulation distribution trend rose to a negative 29% versus negative 36% the previous day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed Monday negative 2.13% below its current falling 21-day moving average, as opposed to a negative 3.95% the previous day. The Dow trend changed directions to up from down Wednesday, January 23rd. The Dow 50-day net change has improved, but turned lower Friday as well as yesterday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average outlook is off its nadir by 5 points. Some improvement there. Tuesday, the stock market may see a pullback as we await the Federal Open Market Committee meetings as they conclude tomorrow. Let's take a look at the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market as a whole. As we look closely, we notice that the Dow outlook is bearish yet rising, 21% versus 18% the previous day. Stock market outlook is bearish yet rising, 33 1/3 versus 25.2 the previous day. The Dow has a probability of closing up Tuesday of 54%. However, this will be muted somewhat because the Dow, the diamonds, the Dow 30 exchange traded fund has a probability of closing up Tuesday of only 10%. Monday's results from our actual trading account from our beginning balance dating back to December 17th, 07 of $1 million. Today's beginning balance reading is $986,337 for a gain of $10,532 yesterday. I'm Doug Gale, not always right, just very seldom wrong. Please visit me daily, MktMetrics.com. Check out the blog. It's located right underneath this video that you're watching on my website. So anyway, why don't you have a great, successful day? Don't go heavy on the market because we could see a small pullback here. Well, listen, you take care. Good luck and good trading today.